In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch audio in Reaper. Now, the easiest way to do this is to basically pick the audio you want to stretch. So for example, I want to stretch this part of the audio over here, and then I'm going to actually hold down my Alt key, so the Alt key if you are on Windows, or the Option key if you are on Mac. So whenever you hold down the Alt key, or of course the Option key, you'll see over here there's going to be like two arrows on the right and like this kind of hand icon. So you can simply go and then click and then drag, and then whenever you do this, you can then see over here the length is going to start changing, which means you're successfully doing this. Okay, so if I now go and actually delete this because it was overlaying, I can go and hold down the Alt key, and not like this, don't use these arrows because that's going to offset. Make sure you're at the very edge, and then you click with this hand and then drag, and that's going to stretch your audio. So you can hear, there we go, it's slowed down. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.